Men are very brave, helping other people on the other side. I'm on a video. The persons are maroon, and so we need more help for them. Right? They are very brave. They are helping their fellow man on the other side with food. We need as much water as we can get, and rice and food for them.
Yeah. But Rasta, you're a lonely man, man. You don't have nobody with you.
Hello, I can't send my secretary, and then next thing we don't see Yanim come back. We don't know we can't swim, we don't take it. God go with you now. Alright, go on. No, sir, mighty God. Somebody didn't reach it back, them not go wet?
No.
Hey.
Make sure you're not going to chump waters, you know.
Lord Jesus. You know, say they're brave. Look at them, look at them.
The people here, you know, because some of the bigger river is in this area.
Somebody know next week we come back down here for them.
You could see them.
Oh,
I see a ball right through.
We see them post that.
See weird ones.
The light post them?
Way across the water side. Why you feel post way across the water side?
I think God, look at how they're transporting the food to the people.
No man, she's on the way back.